Hello! So today I just thought I would do a little video on how to make the little bows that are included. So the bows sheet is in the book and it's also in the download kit. So whichever option you choose, you'll have this sheet to craft with. So I just thought I'd do a little flick through the book while I've got it in front of me and show you some of the elements that are in there. So you've got your toppers and your panels, little sentiments, backing paper panels. These little tags. Now you can fussy cut them out. So you've got your little over the edge elements, or you can just cut them straight edged like this one. Makes it really super easy and quick to cut out. So it's up to you whether you want a little bit more of an intricate cut or if you want a cut more direct to the element. So this is the bows page that we're going to be using. So you have your elements on the left hand side to create the loops, and the elements on the right hand side are going to be your tails. So just for quick and ease, I'm just going to cut out one of the sections, and then I've got some of the tops and bottoms to work with. So whenever I'm fussy cutting out, I always like to make the little tile that I'm working with smaller. It's a lot easier on your hands and you can get in more intricately into the design, so it helps you cut it out. So there's your 3 tails, pop them to one side, and then I've got the loops, so cut those down. So I'm just going to grab my snips. I find it easy to use these, it's personal preference. There's lots of different decoupage scissors and snips and scissors out there, so you know what you'll want to use. So just going around the outside, as per usual with most of my designs, they don't have a black edge. So if you snip a little bit more off, no one's going to know. It's just taking me time. I'm just starting to cut out the tails. Pretty easy to cut out. And the last one. So there's the 3 tails and the 3 tops. So I'm just going to turn it over So I'm working with the wrong side. And I'm just going to find a bit of paper to work with because I don't want to get glue on the foam mat. It's already covered in loads, as you can see. So turn it over. So I'm working with the wrong side, and I'm just going to use my scoring tool. But you can use the edge of a pair of scissors or whatever you have to hand. And all I'm doing is I'm just shaping the little bow elements. It'll just help you pull that tab back over. You'll see in a minute. It's just helping you give a little bit more shape and a little bit more profile to the bow. So I've already got my glue gun on. It's nice and hot. So I'm just going to put a little drop right in the centre. And then you don't want to be going anywhere near with your fingers. So I'm just getting it in place, and then I'm going to secure it down using an embossing tool. You can use tweezers, a pen, whatever you've got for this. But all I'm doing is making sure that I don't have to touch the little dot of hot glue. Needs a little bit more, so another little dot on. And then turn it the right way up. You'll know whether it's the right way up or not because you'll be able to see the join. So a little bit of glue on the back side, and then just sit it on top of the tails, and then you've got your little bow. So I'm going to do all three. Lift it up so you can see it a little bit easier. Turn it the right way around. Just give it a little bit of press on the foam. There you go, glue strings. You might find it easier to do both sides, or you might find it easier to do a little dot on one side, then another little dot and do the other side. It's up to you. It's whichever way you find it easier to work. Again, a little bit of glue on the back side and then pop it on top of the tails. And there's lots of ways you can decorate these. You can use your stickles, your liquid pearls. I'm just going to pop a couple of gems in the centre, just for a little bit of added sparkle. And for this, I prefer to use a wet glue. A nice tacky one. Just give it a little squeeze and get a nice little dot in the centre. Now pick up my gems with my finger just like this, but you might find it easier to use a pick-up tool. And that's it. That's the 3 little bows done. So just to show you on one of the cards, just how it would look. So I hope you've liked this little video. If you have, please let us know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.